My dear students, in the last class I discussed about the concept of series circuits. Now, in this video, I am going to explain how to solve the simple problems on series circuit. Let us take a problem like this. Problem number 1. A series circuit consisting of three resistances R1 equal to 10 ohms, R2 equal to 20 ohms, R3 equal to 30 ohms, and a battery of 120 volts is connected across this circuit. Now, calculate first one, equivalent resistance. Second one, total current. Third one, voltage drop across each resistance. So this is the problem. Now, last class what we discussed, what is the total resistance or equivalent resistance of a given series circuits. So the equivalent resistance is like this, RT or R equivalent connected across the source 120, and this is the current. Now, what is the formula? R total or equivalent resistance in a given series circuit is sum of the given resistances, that is R1 plus R2 plus R3, 10 plus 20 plus 30, 60 ohms. Now, this circuit is simplified as this circuit. This is called equivalent circuit. So, in this equivalent circuit, what is the value of total resistance? 60 ohms. Now, we can calculate, this is the first one and this is second one. So, total current I equal to, as per this circuit, voltage by resistance. The given voltage is 120 volts by total resistance 60 ohms. So total current is 2 amperes. Once we know the total current in a series circuit, what we discussed the concept in the series circuit, the current flowing in all the three resistances is same. The current will be written like this. If the current flowing through first resistance, there is a voltage drop across this as V1. The voltage drop across the second resistance is V2 and third resistance is V3 and so on. Now, calculate the voltage drop across first resistance. What is the voltage drop across first resistance? In the resistance R1, there is a flow of current I. According to Ohm's law, voltage drop is always the product of current and resistance. Similarly, in the second resistance R2, again the current is I. The voltage drop across this resistance is V2 equal to I into R2. Similarly, in the third resistance R3, the flow of current is I. Therefore, V3 equal to I multiplied by R3. So like this we can calculate. What is the first one? Voltage drop across first resistance V1. V1 equal to I R1. I is 2, R1 is 10. So 20 volts is dropped across this. Next, V2, I R2. I is 2, R is 20, so 40 volts. What is third voltage? V3 equal to I R3. 2 multiplied by 30, 60 volts. So that means 120 volts is applied across this series circuit. 20 volts is applied across first resistance. 40 volts is applied across second resistance. And 60 volts is applied across third resistance. That means whatever the voltage is applied, that will be distributed across the three resistance in this form. So this is about the problem, simple problem on series circuit. Thank you.